Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss how to edit a PDF on Mac. If you have a PDF file on your Mac and you want to edit it, you might think you need expensive software. But actually there is a completely free and simple way to edit any PDF. In this video I will show you how to edit a PDF on Mac step by step, and the best part is you only need your Google account. By the end of this video, you will be able to upload your PDF, edit the PDF and download it again as a PDF. So let's get started. First, take your PDF which you want to edit. I have added this video on my desktop for my convenience. Next step, open your Chrome browser. Now open your drive. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Okay, now I will add this PDF on my Google Drive. As you can see, it is uploaded. Now I will refresh it. Now you can see here this PDF file. Now open this PDF file, double tap on this. On the top you can see here open with Google Docs. Now click on open with Google Docs. As you can see, the complete PDF is in editable form. Now I can change anything from this, like I can write add in this PDF. Or I can add any images also from click on insert and image upload from computer. I will upload any image on this as well, and I can remove anything from it as well. I can make changes easily. And after making changes, what you have to do, click on the file. Now click on download. Under download you can see here PDF document. Click on this PDF document. As you can see, the PDF is downloaded. As you can see on my screen, the PDF is downloaded, edited and downloaded. Okay, so that's how you can edit a PDF on a Mac for free using Google Drive and Google Docs. Just upload the PDF to Drive, open it with Google Docs, make your changes and download it again as a PDF. It's quick, simple, and you don't need any extra software. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.